Hello children, welcome to 4th standard English. Again I am here with chapter 1 Appa.
Children, let's we revise first part quickly. Okay. Kirekuppam was a small coastal village near Nagapattinam. In that village, people toiled in the seas every day. Okay. It was a pleasant Sunday morning in December. Okay. The villagers had started their routine work. At the time, Meena's family was also at the shore to see off her father going to the sea. Okay, see off. Then, little after, the bell caretaker was ready to ring the bell because the sea water had receded a few hundred meters. Soon, many the villagers noticed the same. The sea water continued to recede. The bell hit 8 times. People saw a wave far away in the sea. Finally, the sea water entered the village and washed out the huts and boats. Then slowly the water receded again into the sea. Meena's mother gathered herself and searched for Meena. Immediately the second massive wave hit the village. Meena's mother was washed away by the wave. Meena hugged the tree. Soon she fainted. Okay, children, the next part we start from here. Meena woke up. She was in the hospital. After she recovered, they transferred her to the rehabilitation center. Children, do you know the meaning of rehabilitation? The action of restoring someone after a damage. We say rehabilitation. In the rehabilitation center, nearly 99 boys and girls there. A kind-hearted official of the center was always very kind to the children. He often used to visit them with his family. Meena was the youngest of all and soon was loved by all. The in-charge and his wife often carried Meena while they played with other children. All the children in the rehabilitation center called the in-charge and his wife Amma and Appa. Okay, after 3 years, the official was transferred. After 3 years, the official was transferred. He and his family continued to visit the center once a year for the next 5 years. So, year once they visited. Okay. Then Meena was good at studies and now was in the 12th standard. Okay. The school bell rang. Meena wiped her cheek to ready for her English class. The teacher was teaching and Meena was writing her notes. At the time, she heard a familiar voice calling her Meenu. She raised her hand to see. She was surprised to see her father, the official standing at the entrance. Who is waiting there? The official. Okay, the official standing at the entrance. He was smiling at her. She stared at him blankly for a few seconds, with tears rolling down her cheeks. She jumped out of her bench and dashed towards him, calling Appa. It's a true affection. Okay, children, let's see the meaning. Receded. Go or move back. Go or move back. Massive. Large or heavy. Massive, large or heavy. Well, to move rapidly round and round. To move rapidly round and round. Bang. To strike forcefully and noisily. To strike forcefully, noisily. Fainted. To lose consciousness. To lose consciousness. Rehabilitation, the action of restoring someone after a damage. The action of restoring someone after a damage. Blankly, without expression. Blankly, without expression. Okay, children, let's see the exercise. Fill in the blanks. Children, are you ready? Yeah, very good. Meena's village was hit by waves on a dash Sunday morning. Very good. Meena transferred to a dash rehabilitation center. Very good. Third one. The official's family visited the rehabilitation center for dash years. 5 years. Okay. The official and his wife like Meena. Very good, ma. Next, fifth one. Meena studies in dash standard, 12th standard. Okay. Okay, children. Next, we see true or false. First one, Meena's father was a fisherman. Meena's father was a fisherman. True. People ran off when the sea water receded. False. 3 waves hit the village. False. The official visited the rehabilitation center daily. False. The official was transferred to another district. It's true. Okay, children.
Thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.